Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer peri peri ghee roast chicken. So let's get started. There is 500 gram of chicken, maida 2 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of butter. The spices are peri peri powder, pepper powder, salt and paprika powder or red chili powder. So now let's get started. So first I'm adding on 1 tablespoon of butter to the chicken. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoon of maida or the flour. And then I'm adding on all the spices together. So let me add on everything. Okay. So after adding everything, now I'm going to mix it. So guys, please mix it very well so that all the ingredients gets fixed with the chicken. Mix, 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 mix. So if not, just toast for a while so that everything get coated properly. Let the mixture rest for 15 minutes. Let's preheat the air fryer for 200 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. Now let's place the chicken in the air fryer. Make sure guys that the chicken is in the single layer. Do not overcrowd the chicken in the air fryer. Now I'm setting the air fryer for 180 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. I'm stopping the air fryer on 13 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the chicken to the other side so that it gets cooked on the other side as well. Yes guys. Now I'm adding up 1 teaspoon of ghee to the recipe at the end. Now I'm setting the air fryer for 190 degrees centigrade for 14 minutes. This is the final touch. Once done, let's see. Wow, this looks amazing. The sound was so crispy, I can't tell you. And the taste was so good. So I asked my son to taste it and he was like, wow. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, ta-ta!